Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Monopoly Go app. So we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is to just click here on settings here. So and you come here to next step. Then all you have to do now. So you just go down here and you click here on apps. So then and you come to next step here or apps list. Then you just go down here to looking for Monopoly Go here, so just keep going down to find it. So you click on your app, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now is to just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. So then you go down here, you click here on storage and you come to storage list. So you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now is to just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.